In a recent video, I showed how you can assign an RNS name to your data that you uploaded through Ardrive, all using the Ardrive app. But then I just figured we could just go a quick walkthrough for those who didn't know what Ardrive is and for those who haven't tried it. So yeah, I already have an Ardrive profile and I can just log in. And so once you log in, it tries to sync all your drives and brings you the latest data. So in this case, on our drive, you have two types of drives, right? So you have your public drives that are open and accessible because they all live on Ardrive and they're open. You also have your private drives that still live on Ardrive and are open, but they're encrypted. So for your private drives, it's only you who can see them, your wallet, or whoever you give access to. But your public drive, they are open there and accessible. I don't have a private drive yet, but you can see I have my public drive that I name public. And so, yeah, first thing first, the main purpose here is to upload data and keep it. So you can see that all the things you can upload. You can upload a file, you can upload a folder, you can create a new drive, public or private. You can create a new folder within your drive. You can also have notes. And yeah, you can also pin files and all those type of things. We also have some advanced settings like attaching a drive or having a new manifest. You can also have a snapshot of your R drive at any point. And you can also, I think, import data from your manifest. So if you have a manifest, you can attach it and import the data from that manifest. So moving forward, let's just look at what happens here. You have your drive here, which is the public drive. You can actually download that drive, like all the data that is in. You can rename it, you can have a snapshot, you can hide it, and you can share it as well. So I'm just going to do something quick here. I don't know. I'll just rename this to something like Merdy Public. Yeah, something like that. And I rename it. It will ask me to sign. And I sign that, and you'll see that being renamed to Merdy Public. And here you can check it's all Merdy Public. I only have two things that I uploaded and assigned RNS names to these two, right? So with this data, I can also download them. Yeah, I can download them. I can share them. I can preview them if I want. You'll see them in a new window. The other thing, I can rename the file if I want to. I can add a license, right? Because every data on Ardrive, you can decide to add license to that. You can also assign an RNS name. We covered this already. You might as well just hide it if you want to. So yeah, if you click the file, it's going to show you the preview of the file, the details, right? Things like size and all that. You can also add a license. It's going to show you the activity, I think, for when the file was uploaded and when you added an RNS name, for example, here. Yeah, and a bunch of other things, but you can also download it if you want. And so yeah, that's how you can use Ardrive. It's very easy to use, straightforward to use. You can also sync your drives, right? Because you always want to have the latest fit. And that's why you see the first time you come on Ardrive, it starts by syncing all your drives. So you also have your profile that has some information. You can see the turbo credits you have. Yeah, you can also add turbo credits from here if you want. What else is here? Yeah, you have the theme. You can log out and some advanced settings. If you want to enable automatic sync, so the sync will be happening in the background automatically. You can also see the gateways that that your application is using. So right now it's using the Ardrive.net gateway, and for the GraphQL server is using the Ardrive.net GraphQL server. So yeah, that's a quick walkthrough. You can also do search if you want. So let's see. If I do Merdy, what's going to happen here? Oh yeah, it's showing me everything that has Merdy. So this is a public drive and this is public data. So yeah, search also works. And yeah, as easy as that, I think the goal for Ardrive is to make it very easy to be able to upload data on Ardrive using a UI. And it's a very interesting application and very nice that is being widely used in the Ardrive ecosystem. So yeah, give it a try at ardrive.io and yeah, see what it has to offer.